1 week after bird scooters land in Milwaukee, the city takes legal action to get rid of the electric ride. The lawsuit states the scooters are illegal and a public nuisance. The city wants a temporary injunction to have the scooters removed immediately. A hearing about the future of the scooters is scheduled for this Friday in Milwaukee County Court.
I try to show off. It's all right.
You okay?
Yeah. See, I try to show off. Yeah, fucking stupid.
Excuse me. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Are you okay? I'm sorry, you guys didn't look. I couldn't turn. You guys walked out too late. I apologize. Oh shit. Oh, I fucked up. Too busy looking over there and I fucking hit the goddamn pole.
If you even get in a car accident, dude, look how close your face is to this right here. You know what I mean? If someone rear ends you, but I'm saying, it's not even just your driving behaviors, it's going to be the behavior of other people.
I don't want to cause any issues. I mean, I
understand
have no... Okay.
But if these things start flying off, you know what I mean? They're not tied down. They're not being held. You're using gravity. So just step on over here. I mean, the reason... Okay, step on over here. See, they're already coming down. Step on over here. I mean, dude, they're not. Okay, but over here. Let's come on the sidewalk. Let's get out of the street because I don't want to be in the middle of traffic. On the sidewalk. The car's in the middle of traffic. Our car's blocking your car. What's your last name?
E-R-M-I-S-H. You literally gave me 2 seconds. You didn't tell me what I was doing. E-R-M-I-S-H. You didn't tell me what I was doing wrong.
Scooter. I finally, once about the time I got to McKinney Avenue, I was riding very well, and I made the block. I went up McKinney Avenue, made the block. As I was coming back around the corner, I curved and I didn't slow down. So they have a speedometer, a digital speedometer on them, and the speedometer said I was going 17 miles an hour. And as I turned the corner, that's really fast to turn a corner on a little scooter. So when I turned the corner, instead of turning into the right-hand lane, I ended in the left-hand lane because I was going too fast. And I hit the trolley track and I flew off the scooter and hit my head on McKinney Avenue. I could have ended up in ICU. Thankfully, I just ended up in the ER. Unthankfully, it cost me a lot. It cost me a lot of money. My scooter ride was $1.38, but my ER bill is probably going to be at least a couple $1,000s. That will be my last scooter ride. I promised my husband.
Some people are getting a ticket for something related to bird. I asked the officer if he would talk to me, and he said that as soon as he's finished, he will talk to me. So.
Confiscation.
Log out if you
The scooters are not allowed on the sidewalk. This is a sidewalk. You can ride them in the street, but not on the sidewalk. Are you doing video? Go ahead and do that. Yeah, go back up there and but stay off. That's the sidewalk too. Get out in the street. And you have to be 18, so your young son can't ride one. Okay? Sorry about that. Don't want to spoil your fun, but it's been dangerous.
Okay, the bird is a big problem at LAX. It came in on the scanner as an unattended item. The K9 was called in, and the K9 is here. We call in for a supervisor. LAX Airport Police are here along with LAX security at Tom Bradley over the unattended bird. More cops showing up. Got 4 cops on this unattended bird here at Tom Bradley National. K9, there he goes. K9 showing up. There you go. Check it out. Alright, I guess they cleared it. The dog did not sit down. This is a new ongoing problem, the bird at LAX. And that's a wrap. So that's what's going on at LAX today. The unattended bird.